Imagine the world where every household appliance contributes to a healthier planet. Traditional microwaves, though convenient, often consume excessive energy and contain non-recyclable materials. But there's a smarter choice for the eco-conscious consumer: sustainable microwaves. These innovative appliances are crafted with energy efficiency at their core, many boasting the ENERGY STAR certification, meaning they use significantly less power, reducing both your carbon footprint and utility bills. Constructed with eco-friendly materials, they ensure minimal environmental impact, utilizing recyclable or biodegradable components. Durability is another hallmark of sustainable microwaves. Built to last, they minimize waste by reducing the need for frequent replacements. Plus, smart features like sensors and programmable settings help avoid unnecessary energy consumption, making your cooking routine as efficient as possible. When it's time to upgrade, these microwaves offer recycling options to prevent landfill overflow. Simple usage tips like using microwave-safe covers can further enhance efficiency by retaining heat and cutting down cooking times. By choosing sustainable microwaves, you're making a statement, one that benefits both you and the planet. Transform your kitchen and take a step towards a greener future today.